Good morning, students. In today's session, we are going to learn a prose from Unit 2. I can't climb trees anymore. From Unit 2, Ninth Standard English. It was written by Ruskin Bond. Was born on 1934. He was a famous writer, Indian writer of British descent. His parents were British, but he resided in India. He is much renowned for his role in promoting children's literature in India. He gives more importance to children's literature. He got Sahitya Academy Award in 1992. He was also awarded India's biggest civilian award, Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan. He has written 500 short stories, essays, and novels. His popular novel Blue Umbrella was made into Hindi film, and he was awarded the National Film Award for the Best Children's Film in 2007. In this story, Ruskin Bond highlights the importance of childhood days in shaping the character of a person. Let us move on to the text. He stood on the grass verge. Here, the word he refers to the writer Ruskin Bond. On the grass verge by the side of the road and looked over the garden wall at the old house. He was sitting near the grass verge, near the old house. It hadn't changed much. The old house, built with solid blocks of granite, was not altered at all. The old house was built with granite. But there was a new outhouse and there were fewer trees. He was glad to see that the jackfruit tree still stood at the side of the building, casting its shade on the wall. Casting means spreading the leaves or the branches on the wall. He was amazed to see the jackfruit tree near the house again. Very few changes near the house and one new outhouse was there. You can see a house and a grass verge and a jackfruit tree here. He remembered his grandmother saying, "A blessing rests on the house where the shadow of the tree falls." A person who sits under the tree are receiving the blessing. The sayings from his grandmother. Whose grandmother here? Ruskin Bond's grandmother. And so the present owners must also be receiving the tree's blessing. So he's thinking that the present house owner also receiving the blessing from the tree. At the spot where he stood, there had once been a turnstile. Turnstile is nothing but a mechanical gate revolving horizontal arms fixed to the vertical post. It allows one person at a time to pass through. It is turnstile. And as a boy, he would swing on it, going round and round until he quite dizzy. Until he felt tired, he played on the turnstile. Now the turnstile was gone and the opening walled up. Okay, now they have built a wall near the turnstile. Tall hollyhocks grow on the other side of the wall. Hollyhocks. It's a tall Eurasian plant of the mallow family with large showy flowers. Large flowers will be there. So you can see turnstile and hollyhocks plant. What are you looking at? It was disembodied voice at first. Disembodied. Here, Ruskin Bond. Here only the voice, not a person. That is disembodied voice at first. Moments later, a girl stood framed between dark red hollyhocks, staring at the men. And few minutes later, Ruskin Bond can see a young girl from the red hollyhocks. She was only 12 or 13, a young girl of 12 or 13 with lively eyes and black hair. "I'm looking at the house. Is it yours?" he asked. He informed the girl that he is looking at the house and he is asking whether the house belongs to her. "No, it's my father's." "Why? Do you want to buy it?" The girl is asking, "Do you want to buy the house?" "And what does your father do?" "He's only a colonel." She is telling that her father is a colonel. Colonel is an army person, a rank of officer in the army. Only a colonel. Well, he should have been a brigadier by now. Brigadier means another rank in the army above colonel. Well, he should have been a brigadier by now. The man burst out laughing. It's not funny. Even mummy says he should be in a brigadier. Ruskin Bond laughed at her. At once she says that, don't laugh, my mother told that he should be a brigadier. It was on the tip of the tongue to make a witty remarks. Perhaps that's why he's still a colonel. But he did not want to give offense. They stood on either side of the wall, apprising each other. They are assessing each other. They are thinking about each and every one. Brigadier is the rank of the officer in British Army. Do you want to buy it? No, he said. Well, if you don't want to buy the house, what are you looking at? She's asking, are you going to buy the house? Ruskin Bond told that he's not willing to buy, but now she's asking why he's looking at the house. I used to live here 25 years ago as a boy, as a young small boy. 25 years ago, he resided in that house as a young man, and then my grandmother died. We sold the house and went away. After the death of his grandmother, they sold the house and they went out from that house. 25 years ago, they resided in the house with the grandmother. After the death of the grandmother, they left the house. She was silent for a while, taking in this information. And you'd like to buy it back now? She's asking, are you going to buy the house again? But you don't have the money. He did not look very prosperous. Here, Ruskin Bond looked very timid. So she asked, you can't buy this house because it was too costly. No, I was not thinking of buying it back. Wanted to see it again, that's all. How long have you lived in it? He's asking how many years she was living in that house. She is informing that only 3 years. And he informed that he is not willing to buy the house at all. Would you like to come in and look more closely? She is inviting the old man inside whether he is loving to see the house. Wouldn't your parents mind? He's asking whether your parents scold you. They have gone to the club. They won't mind. I am allowed to bring my friends home. She informed that her parents won't angry at all because she often bring her friends into the house, even elderly friends like me. How old are you? He's asking that whether you bring the elderly person like him, and she's asking him what is his age. Oh, just middle-aged, but feeling young today. And to prove it, he decided he would climb over the wall instead of going round to the gate. And he's informing that he's young. Even though he's middle-aged, he's young enough to climb that wall instead of going inside the gate. He got up of the wall all right and had to rest, breathing heavily. He informed very happily, but he was not able to. He is breathing very fastly. Middle-aged man on the flying trapeze, he muttered to himself. He informed me that flying trapeze is nothing but a horizontal bar hanging by 2 ropes and free to swing, used by acrobats in a circus. Usually in the circus we can see this flying trapeze. You can see in the picture. He muttered. He is telling to himself. I will help you, and gave him her hand. She gave her hand to climb. He slithered down into the flower bed. He slipped down into the flower bed and shattering the stem of the hollyhock. He fell down in the hollyhocks. So let us continue the lesson in the next class. And today I'll send you the homework in your WhatsApp group. Thank you, students.